A few days ago I ordered headlights and I got them today in the mail, so my boyfriend and I are going to be installing them tonight and I'm super excited because I got some new headlights. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. See you guys in my next clip.
Start explaining.
Okay guys, so I just got new headlights, so my boyfriend and I are going to be installing the new headlights, but first we have to go get some tools.
Yeah, we're gonna get some tools because what's it called? We need we try to like what's it called?
What is it?
We try to connect the headlights to the new one she got, cause she got these,
So yeah.
and like we need tools to get
Like pop
these
them
off.
Right? To pop it off.
Yeah, to pop these off. And we're gonna go to the store right now.
See you guys at the store. I can pull. I'm gonna go like this and you can like move it, you know? Like. Wow, this is exit.
Baby, that's an exit. Split the pole. Is Rusty working?
I don't know. We see, right?
Yeah, there is. I think a light in it.
This is gonna be like a montage, like, you know?
Yeah. Fine.
Cut. It's okay, it's okay. Did you grow? Yeah.
The mamalona.
Okay, I think it's open. So, open
No.
the hood, guys.
You opened the back.
You're lying. I probably did.
Yeah, you opened the back.
Yeah, I did.
Cause it's
Okay.
the front. Yeah.
Got it. Okay, it's opening the
Grab the
I
hood.
got it. I got it. What if I just drop this for the video?
Yeah. You're gonna kill me. Okay.
Okay, so
Do your thing, baby.
wait, pause. We'll be back.
No.
Tell me.
No.
You're supposed to help me. What do you mean? Okay, guys, so I'm gonna start trying every one of these because I don't know which one is gonna fit. So I'm gonna try every one. I know exactly what I'm doing. Oh shit. Damn. What?
I'm not gonna help you.
Don't help me. I have to learn.
There. Ooh.
Yeah, finally.
But like, don't put it on yet.
I don't?
You don't have to.
Oh, I just like try it.
Yeah. Oh,
I found it. It's perfect.
First try. What did you do? You're lying.
I'm not lying.
Where did it go? Oh, it's right there.
Where? I'll grab it.
Right there. I'll grab it.
Wait, where?
Oh, you scared me.
Damn, so,
Here,
okay.
put it in.
So I'm gonna put it in good this time. Okay, I got it. Sorry, guys. It's been a long day.
Maybe make sure. That's the other one.
What the? It's like, cause it's.
Yeah. Can I help you out?
Oh, I got it. Okay, ready? So right here,
Make sure it's-
lefty loosey.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Wait, this one. Maybe.
What?
Wait, let me see.
I thought you were gonna help. You weren't gonna help me.
You have to go like this.
Oh.
That's why.
You don't have to go all the way.
No. That's why you got that kind. Cause like, for that reason. Cause the screwdriver would have been harder.
Ooh.
And by the way, we're doing this at 8 p.m. at night, Friday night, so.
Is it me or is it taking forever?
Oh, wait.
Look at it.
This
Look,
thing
it's
moves.
still the same.
Oh, it's not.
Okay, fine. No, it's not.
No, it's not. Why is it like this? This thing really broken.
Really?
Oh, I get it now. That's because there.
Okay.
I just took it. Yeah, this thing is cheap.
Yeah, bro.
Finish it. Just like push this down Cause have you
Okay,
seen?
I'll push it down.
Yeah, cause when it moves and it gets stuck. And I think you can do it from your fingers now.
Yes, I can. Okay, so I got one down. I have to do the rest. Oh gosh.
Alright, I'm gonna just. Okay,
We're gonna pop the headlight off.
Pop it
Or
off.
I'm gonna pop it off.
Here.
Let me just. Hold on, I got this. So I just took the headlight off. It looks pretty dusty, so it got to go.
Ooh.
I'll just throw it away, right?
No, you don't need a third.
What do
Just
I do
save
with
him.
it?
I don't know.
Hang it in my room. I'm just kidding. Okay, so
We'll know what to get.
I get the new one.
I go get the new.
So I'm gonna Sorry, that was for the video.
You're gonna have to unwrap it.
It's this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay guys, so I think I just put it in, right?
I mean, you have to connect it first.
Okay, so I have to connect it first, so I think this is it, right?
Yeah. We connect it first and see if it works.
Okay, so I connect it. Wait, let me see this. Okay, plug.
Just plug into it.
Is it?
Yeah, I'll check it for you. Did it connect?
No. Hold on.
Yeah.
So they're on, right?
No, it's not on, but like, just see if the lights work, baby.
Oh, okay.
It does work.
It does?
Yeah, but like,
They look ugly, the light bulb. Right now.
like,
Let me see.
it's just like normal, but we can change it.
Well, they don't look that bad. Well, with the new light bulbs, they're gonna look good.
Yeah.
And then the fog light is gonna be yellow. Okay.
How do you know it works?
I didn't get
Oh, it's new. Huh?
the finishing product of the new headlights. We're gonna do a thumbnail.
Yeah.
Okay. No, but that's not gonna be the thumbnail. But yeah,
It's snowing in
how they look.
Wisconsin.
yeah, it's snowing in Wisconsin.
You know.
I know that I'ma be somebody, I don't doubt this shit. But